Okay, hello. The next item I'm going to look at here, it's actually an audio interface for guitar. It's called the Irig UA, and it works on an Android tablet or phone system. And it's made out of plastic, but it feels pretty sturdy. And like I said, it's an audio interface, and so on the bottom side here you'll have a quarter-inch input for a guitar. Right there you'll see it for a guitar. You plug your guitar in there, and the other input, and on the side here you see the thing for the headphone jack is a headphone jack. So those are the two inputs, and on the top here you'll see that it has a USB port, and that's to connect it to your phone or tablet. And it also does work on a computer, as a matter of fact, so you can put it in there. And so that's, again, it's Irig. I think it's made by IK Multimedia. You can look it up on the internet and find out, but it's Irig UA, and that's the name of it. And it's actually an audio interface, but it's specifically made for guitar. So the way this works, let me show you. It also comes with a little mini USB cable that you can plug into your Android phone or tablet. I happen to have a tablet, so I'll show you how that works. So you plug it in there, you plug the little interface cable. There's the cable plugged in there, and it, you know, the size of this thing, it's not very. Here's a pen, a regular household pen, so you can see what the size of this thing is. It's not very big, and it could fit in your pocket, and you know, it could definitely fit in your guitar case. So that's what's pretty cool about it. It makes a really nice practicing unit, because you could plug your guitar, like I said, into the input right there, and then you plug your headphones on the other side right here on the headphone jack, and you could actually play your guitar and listen to it as you're playing. So now what this does, actually, this is an interface, and it works, like I said, in conjunction with a tablet. And let me show you the tablet right here, and this is a tablet that I happen to have. So let's plug this into the tablet. Here's the tablet, and let's plug this into the tablet. Let's see, I have the USB port on this tablet, happens to be on the top, so we will put it in there on the top, and there it is. So it's plugged in, and then we'll you have an app that you can download. It's called AmpliTube, that works with this Irig. So we will look for this app on the phone or on the tablet, and there it is. So we'll get into it, and as you can see, it opens up. It says Irig, and it looks like, you know, the little Irig. And so let's go ahead and use that. And so then it's opening up, and then you will see that it opens up, and there it is. So as you can see, it looks like there's the Irig right down there, and there's the app that's running on the tablet. So let's see if we can put both of them on here like this. So we'll just use this to hold it up so we can get rid of that glare. If it happens, maybe I can just use that. Yeah. Okay. So we'll just hold it up. There's the Irig, and there's the thing. So what it does is, if you're a guitar player, you will be familiar with the amps. An amp, and that's an amp right there. That's an amp, and you can choose several different kinds of amps. You can choose an amp for this one here. It says it's for lead, and you can choose an amp for metal, and it looks like that. See, they all look a little different. And then you can choose, let's see, you could even choose a bass amp right there if you have a bass. So let's stick with the lead here just to look at it. And then also, as you see on the top here, you will see that it has some pedals. Let's see, I'll get rid of that reflection. You'll see some pedals up there, like a pedal board that you have on the floor. And you can press on this pedal right here to get to the pedal itself. And there you will see that it looks just like a regular stomp pedal that you would get for a guitar. And you can turn it off and on. You press that. You see the red button is not on. When you press it again, the red button comes on. That's how you turn it off and on. And you can just put a whole row of these things on the top here. Here's another pedal. And there's your amp. And then there's another pedal right there. So you can stick all kinds of pedals in here and put your own little pedal board in there and work the sounds with it. And that works in conjunction with the amp that you choose. So you should choose this amp right here. For instance, if we have this lead amp, you can choose that one. And you also have the tone controls that you can go. See, you can go through the tone controls like you have. See if we can get this here, if we can see it. You have this reverb, you have presence, you have treble, you have a mid control knob, just like on a real amplifier, a bass knob, and a gain knob. So you go all the way over to the other side, and there's your volume knob, the reverb knob, presence knob. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And like I said, then also you can get to the pedals, which is up here. You press on this pedal, and then the pedal comes up, and then you can mess around with the settings on the pedal. Like for instance, this is a chorus pedal, as you can see right there, chorus. And you can set the rate of the chorus, the depth, and the level of the chorus. So it's pretty cool the way that works. And then, like I said, and then you have another pedal here. We have a delay pedal. And the same thing, you can set the level of the delay, how much delay you want, and how many times you want it to repeat, or the feedback. You know, so you can do all that. And again, you can turn it off and on. See, when you press it, the red light goes off. You turn the switch on again, it comes on. So it activates it. So it's pretty cool. Really cool that the way this works. And like I said, you can practice with it. You can play your guitar, and all these effects will come into the guitar signal, so you can hear these effects as you're playing your guitar. It is pretty cool. Pretty cool. So it's a good practicing unit. And again, it works with this Android tablet here, or it'll also work with a phone, as long as it's an Android operating system, which most phones have, Android phones. The Android tablets also have an Android operating system. They do make this Irig also, though, for the iPhone or Mac or iOS operating system, and it works the same way. It just works on the different platform, on the Mac platform. So this is a pretty cool little thing to have if you're a guitar player and you want to practice and you don't want to have to lug your amp around. You can just use this. You can plug, like I said, your guitar into there and your headphones, and you're ready to go. All right, have a good one.